Hey guys, so first of all, this is not a paid review. Um, Visible didn't send me a free sample phone or a free trial so I could review their product. So this is an honest review about Visible. Um, I am currently with Metro and I pay about 50 a month for everything unlimited, but Visible apparently has a better deal with everything unlimited for 40 a month. And if you join with 4 friends, you will have a 25 $25 per month plan. If you join a party of 4 people, they could be even strangers on the internet, it doesn't matter. You are allowed to pay your $25 bill on your own. You don't have to give your money to anybody else. And it seems like a pretty good deal to me. So I order this free phone that they give you if you send back your current Android cell phone. So I'm gonna send them an old Samsung that I have that I use with Metro sometimes, and they send me this free ZTE, which it is a good phone. Apparently, I have not tested it, but it has 32 gigs of storage, 3 gigs of RAM, and a quad-core processor. So it seems like a fast enough phone for basic tasks. And like I said, it's free if you send your old cell phone. They also have iPhones, but they are way more expensive than free. um, so I don't know if you want to pay for an iPhone. If I really like the service, I might get an iPhone because the hotspot is unlimited, and an iPhone would be okay to use without an unlimited hotspot. On Metro, you cannot have unlimited hotspot. You need to have an Android and kind of go around it with a special app. But this is the cell phone that I got. ZTE Blade, which it is, like I said, it is free. But if you don't send them your old cell phone, they charge you $99. So that's what's gonna happen if I don't send mine. So I'm just gonna unbox it really quick, and I'm gonna do a review later of the service. If I don't like it, if the internet is spotty or if it is really slow, I'm definitely going to return it and go back to Metro because I don't have any problems at all with Metro. The services are not too fast. It's about usually with a VPN, it's about 20 megabytes per second. With no VPN, is like 3 or 5 megabytes. So this is it is a big phone. It's I think like 5.7 inches, or so it is it is big. It's almost like a Note, like a Samsung Note. It does not have a removable battery, but the CTEs usually are easy to open, I think. The back is plastic, so it should be easy to pry off. So let's see. This is the SIM card that I will need to use, and they charged me $25. The phone was free, and the service is $40 per month. But since I am a new customer, they have a special promotion that they are charging me $25 for the first month and then 40 afterwards. But I am going to join a party, so I'm going to be paying $25 hopefully. Here is the USB cable, the charger. So I'm gonna be testing it for about a month, and then I'm going to make another video to let you know my opinion. But for a free phone, I think it is pretty decent. And it is backed by Verizon. It is actually a Verizon company. So the coverage should be pretty good, even though they will slow down the internet pretty drastically to about 5 megabytes per second. But right now they have a special offer that your speed is going to be uncapped. Uncapped, like about, some people report up to 70 megabytes per second. So if you sign up around this time, you might get uncapped speeds. But you know, I am pretty sure if people start abusing, they're gonna go back to a pretty low speed. So there you have it. I will be making another video to let you guys know, and I'm going to leave a link in the description so you guys can take advantage of a $20 discount, I think, if you use my link. So if you guys wanna use it, it's gonna be in the description. So thanks a lot for watching, guys.